Hi guys, so today we are starting a new cluster in math. Cluster 3, Unit 5, which has to do with adding and subtracting large amounts up to 10,000. So as you can see, I am in Savas, which is our math program, and the first thing I'm going to do is 10-minute math. So what I need you to do is get out your math notebook. We're going to do this in your notebook, and then you're going to transfer your answers into the assignment in the classroom. Okay, so it says we are going to read, write, and say this number, and then we're going to do these directions down here. So this amount, if you'll read it, go ahead. In your math notebook, if you'll write the amount. Okay, and then I'm going to say the amount, 843. Then it says to write it in expanded form, rounded to the nearest 10, and rounded to the nearest 100. So if you do not remember what expanded form was from 3rd grade, it is where you write the number out as a addition equation with each place having a space. So today, since it's the first one, I'm going to write this out one with you. This one is 800 because in the hundreds spot is an 8, and it is worth 8 hundredths plus, make sure you're copying what I'm doing in your math notebook, 40, because the 4 is in the tens place, so it's 4/10, so it's worth 40, plus, and in the ones place is a 3, 3. So this is the expanded form. 800 plus 40 plus 3 equals 843. Now, you have probably heard of the word rounding. It is to make the number more easier. So instead of having it in a ones place, it says to round to the nearest 10. Okay, so we need to underline our 10, and that's 40. And so our two options for rounding are the next 10 up is 50. And 40 is a 10, so 40 will be the lower option. Okay, so how do you round? Well, what you do is you look at the place to the right. So this is the ones place from what you are rounding. So we're doing the tens. So to the right is the ones place, and it's a 3. And the rule is if it's closer to the 50, we will round up. And if it's closer to the 40, we will round down. So I'm going to draw a number line. So 850 would be the highest 10, sorry. So 850. And 840 would be the lower 10, because when I'm skip counting by tens, I would go 800, 810, 820, 830, 840, 850. So how many numbers are in between these two tick marks? There are 10, right? There are 10 numbers in between. 841, 842, 43, 844, 845, 846, 847, 848, 849, 850. So our number is 843. So it would go right here. So we round down because this is closer. So 840 is to round down. Okay, now you are going to round to the nearest 100 using the same skill for the assignment. So you're going to round 843 to the nearest 100. All right, bye.